Assalamu Alaikum everyone. Hope you all are good. In this video, I am going to share a few shortcut keys normally used in the computer. So, without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, we learn about quick reference shortcut keys. If we want to make our letters bold, then we press Ctrl with B. So we get the required results given over here in the bracket. If you want your document or text in the italic form, you simply press Ctrl plus I. My whole document is in italic letter. When you want to underline your document or sentence or heading, you will simply press Ctrl plus U. If you want to copy the selected object or text, you will press Ctrl plus C from the computer keyboard. And when you want to paste that copied object or text, you will simply press Ctrl plus V. If you want to undo the last action, you will press Ctrl plus C. And if you want to redo the last action like you thought it was done by mistake, then you will press Ctrl plus Y. Now for saving the document, you will press Ctrl plus S, and for opening the document, you will press Ctrl plus O. For creating a non-breaking hyphen, you will simply press Ctrl plus hyphen, and the symbol of hyphen is given in the brackets. In future, inshallah, I will share more information with you all and learn with you all. So till then, stay connected, take care, see you soon. Thanks for watching.